Welcome to our Rolling Strong video library, a series designed to help you maintain a better life on the road.
What's going on, Rolling Strong family? Coach Ritter here with another little fun workout routine. It's February, which is Health Awareness Month, so I wanted to create a quick workout routine for y'all to do whenever you can. It's a little bit of HIIT, so high intensity interval training. How we're going to do it is a Tabata style setup. Tabata just means 20 seconds of work, 10 seconds of rest. So we're going to do 4 different movements, right? Each for 20 seconds with a 10 seconds rest, and to complete all 8 rounds with the circuit twice, okay? So the first movement that you'll do for 20 seconds is gonna be a reverse lunge to a high skip on the left leg. So what that looks like, reverse lunge, high skip, reverse lunge, high skip. So you'll do that for 20 seconds. Once the 10 seconds is up for the rest, you go to the right leg. So you're gonna lunge back, right, high skip. Lunge, high skip. So 20 seconds there as well. Once those 20 seconds are up, you get your 10-second rest. You're gonna come to the ground. The next movement here is gonna be a push-up with a shoulder tap. So you'll be in that nice high plank position. Push up, tap, tap. Push up, tap, tap. That's the third movement. Last and final movement of the circuit, which is gonna be toes to hands, okay? A little bit more explosive. So you're gonna be on the ground again, that high plank position, and then you're gonna just jump the feet to the hands, jump back. Jump the feet to the hands, jump back. You'll run through that circuit 2 times to complete 8 rounds, and that's 1 full round of the Tabata, which is about 4 minutes long. So beginners will do 1 to 2 rounds of the full Tabata. Intermediate, 3 to 4 rounds, advanced 5 to 6. All right, hope you guys enjoy it.
Look to more Rolling Strong videos providing insights and tips dedicated to a healthier life on the road.